Today is going to be a little bit of a shorter video, but we just wanted to showcase the little bit of bass that we're about to add to this Lexus.
Right, so we've got this Lexus in today for a 10-inch active sub. It's going to go into the boot. We're going to hide it as best as possible. What we've noticed, if we look in the boot itself, this panel actually comes out nice and easily, which then allows us to fit this directly underneath. Everything's there. Let's get to it.
Today has been a little bit of a shorter video for you guys, but we just wanted to showcase little upgrades that we do on kind of a daily basis, as well as some of the bigger projects that you've seen on our channel. But this Lexus, basically what our client was after was having a little bit more bass added to the system. So this actually isn't the Mark Levinson like upgraded system from Lexus. However, it does actually have a factory sub in the OEM location down behind that grille. So what our client was after, he listened to the system when he was buying the car and wasn't happy with the OEM sound, and potentially will probably upgrade future upgrades in the front end of this car at a later date. But one thing he was after is adding a bit more bass, bit more kick of the sub into the vehicle. So we've actually basically now underneath here, which is really cool because you've got retention of all your boot space, there's a perfectly good location for actually having a sub added in here. So we're using the 10-inch active sub. You'll see this sub used quite a lot on our channel. A lot of upgrades, like yesterday we're actually doing this car, and then we're also doing a Bentley Continental. But yeah, I mean, this is a really popular upgrade, cost-effective option to add a lot more bass into the vehicle in a really nice way. This is actually being bolted down into OEM location, so no additional drilling needed, but down into OEM location using custom bracketry. And then also you've got the fact that you can literally cover it all as well. One thing we've also done is added in a separate sub controller in the front end of the car to control the system, turn that sub up and down. But this is a really good upgrade to basically retain all the boot space on this car, but also have that added extra depth. So a really cool upgrade for this Lexus, and we've done loads of Lexus now. But as you know by our channel, if you're a big follower of us, we do a whole range of different upgrades, not just on one brand. We work on multi-brand. The main thing is the quality of gear, quality of install is a whole another level. So that is just to show you everything we've done on this Lexus. So thank you once again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.